Hello friends, welcome to Agri Exam. This is our video number 5 related to agronomy, and in this video also we will discuss very important 31 liner questions related to agronomy. So we will start. Our first question is extensively grown pulse crop in India, and the answer is chickpea. Chickpea, it is the pulse crop which is grown extensively in India. Chickpea, it is also known as Bengal gram. The botanical name of chickpea, it is Caesar araneticum, and India, it is the largest producer of gram in the world, sharing about 65% of area and 70% of total global production. Chickpea, it is the major pulse crop in India and share the largest acre and production among the pulse crop in the country, followed by pigeon pea. We will see our second question. Which rabi crop grown to conserve moisture? The answer is chickpea. Chickpea, it is the rabi crop which is grown to conserve the moisture, and chickpea, it is usually considered as a dryland crop. Our question number third. Crop grown together with each other in a specific ratio are called. The answer is companion crop. Companion crop, these are the crop which are grown in association in the cropping system for complementary effect. Now what do you mean by complementary effect? In complementary effect, both the crops, they are benefited from each other. In intercropping, for example, jawar plus lobia. Jawar, they receives nitrogen from lobia, whereas the lobia requires support from jawar. So these are the examples about complementary effect which is shown by the companion crops. Question number 4. In sugarcane crop, taking of ratoon crop is advisable. Means how many time we can take a ratoon crop in the cultivation of sugarcane? And the answer is 1. Only one time we have to take a ratoon crop in the cultivation of sugarcane. It is economical to take only one ratoon crop, because this ratoon crop, they requires about 20% of more nitrogen as compared to the planted crop. This is the reason why we have to take only one ratoon crop in sugarcane cultivation. Question number 5. How many times a ratoon crop of sugarcane is advisable? One time. Question number 6. Which crop best for autumn planting sugarcane in intercropping? And the answer is potato. Potato, it is the crop which is best for autumn planting regarding to sugarcane intercropping. Question number 7. Removal or harvest of 2 to 3 mature leaves at a time in tobacco. The answer is priming. Priming, it is the process in which we remove or harvest 2 to 3 mature leaves in case of tobacco. Priming, it is nothing but removal of mature leaves, and entire harvest they need approximately 5 to 6 priming, and this it is used in cigarette and wrapper tobacco. And see friends, the tobacco burning quality, it is positively related to potassium content of the leaf, and nicotine content, it is produced in the root, and nicotine gets accumulates in the leaves of tobacco. So this was about our question number 7. Now moving ahead, we will see question number 8. Sugarcane, it is a short day plant. Sugarcane, it is C4 intermediate short day plant, and the botanical name of sugarcane, it is Saccharum officinarum. Okay, question number 9. Highest productivity of sugarcane in which state? The answer is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the state which produced sugarcane of highest productivity, and the productivity ranges in the value of 99.3 tons per hectare. Question number 10. Sugarcane area maximum in which state? And the answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the state which has maximum area under sugarcane cultivation, followed by Maharashtra and next Karnataka. Question number 11th. Maximum edible oil is contributed by, and the answer is groundnut, that is Arachis hypogaea contributes about 45% of edible oil. Question number 12. Which of the following is also known as Manali nut? And the answer is groundnut. Groundnut, which is Arachis hypogaea, and it is also known as peanut, earth nut, monkey nut, Manali nut. These all are the alternate name for groundnut crop. Question number 13. First National Research Center NRC for. The answer is groundnut. Means for groundnut crop, first National Research Center was developed, and it is present in Junagadh, which is in Gujarat. So that is Junagadh, Gujarat. It is a Directorate of Groundnut Research, Junagadh. It is in collaboration with ICRISAT, and they have developed two high-yielding oleic groundnut varieties for the first time in India, namely Jimmer 4 and Jimmer 5. And in normal groundnut, the oleic acid content varies from 40 to 50%, whereas this variety have nearly about 80% of oleic acid. Question number 14. The fruit of mustard is known as, and the answer is siliqua. The fruit of mustard, it is known as siliqua. Question number 19. Tilth 60, it is an important source of male sterility in, and the answer is sorghum. TIF 60, it is an important source of male sterility in sorghum crop, and it is the variety is Combined Kafir 60. It is the variety which is male resistance in case of sorghum. Now moving ahead, we will see our question number 16. Which of the following crop is called as camel crop? The answer is sorghum. Sorghum, it is the crop which is called as a camel crop because it has the ability to withstand against drought. Question number 17. First man-made cereal is, and the answer is triticale. It is the first man-made cereal which was produced by Rimpu, and it is the cross between wheat and rye, and it is an intergeneric cross. Okay. Question number 18. Marconi wheat is, the answer is Triticum durum. It is known as Marconi wheat. It is a very old and best form of wheat for drought condition or under restricted irrigation. And this Triticum durum, it is used for making semolina, and it is the second important wheat which is grown in India. An important variety regarding to Marconi wheat, it is Meghadut, HP 4530 and Malvika. So this was about question number 18. We will see question number 19. Crop having maximum area under irrigation, and the answer is wheat. Wheat, it is the crop which is having maximum area under irrigation. Question number 20. Dr. Norman E. Boldrin awarded with Nobel Prize for working on which crop? And the answer is wheat. Wheat, it means Dr. Norman Boldrin, he was awarded with Nobel crop for working with wheat crop. Question number 21st. Highest production of cereal in the world, and the answer is wheat. Wheat, they ranks first in the world among cereals, both in respect of area and production. So wheat, it is called as the king of cereals, and in India, wheat, it is the second most important crop in area and production after rice. So it was our question number 21st. Question number 22. Flax is a fiber of, and the answer is linseed. Question number 23rd. oil and fiber crop is? The answer is linseed. Now this linseed, it is a dual purpose oilseed crop, and when it is grown as a fiber purpose it is called as flax in abroad, but in India it is grown as a for oil purpose, and its seed contain about 33 to 47% of oil. Question number 24 we will see now. Growing two or more crops simultaneously with no distinct row arrangement, it is called as mixed cropping. Okay, in mixed cropping we are cultivating two different crops simultaneously with no distinct row arrangement, and in mixed cropping sowing of seed, it is generally by broadcasting method, and it is commonly practiced in dryland area of India. And the scientific study of mixed cropping, it was first time done by La Fleets in the year 1928. So this was about question number 24. Question number 25. Farming which includes crop production and livestock, it is known as mixed farming. We will see some information regarding mixed farming. Mixed farming means what? It is defined as a system of farming on a particular farm which includes crop production, raising livestock, poultry, fisheries, beekeeping, etc. to sustain and satisfy as many needs of the farmers as possible. And the major objective of mixed farming, it is subsistence while higher profitability without altering the economic balance. It is important in farming system, and cropping system, it is an important component in a farming system. Question number 26 now we will see. A system of growing the same crop on the same land year after year, it is known as monocropping. Question number 27. Important operation done in gram crop. The important operation which is done in gram crop, it is nipping. Now this nipping in chickpea, it is a process of plucking or tipping of apical buds with some young leaves, once from each plant at a height of 12 to 15 centimeter, that is after 30 to 40 days after sowing, to check the luxuriant growth and encourage more branching and fruit development. For this purpose, nipping is done in case of chickpea, and it is the important operation which is done only in the gram crop. Question number 28. Removal of axillary bud in castor, and the answer is nipping. Question number 29. Family of Sesamum, that is nothing but Sesamum indicum, and the answer is Pedaliaceae. Question number 30 and the last question. Growing of crop in between Kharif and Rabi season, it is known as Z crop. Growing of crop in between Kharif and Rabi season, it is known as Z crop. So friends, this was all about the 30 one-liner questions regarding to agronomy. Each day, Agri Exam YouTube channel is posting one-liner questions regarding to agronomy. You will get more videos regarding to various subjects also. For that purpose, stay connected with Agri Exam, and you can join with Agri Exam team with various social media platform through WhatsApp, through YouTube, through Instagram. You can connect with Agri Exam team. Thank you friends.